How popular is the Z Fold 7? Well, it's selling double the amount of units compared to the Z Fold 6. Over double. Yeah. This is definitely up there in the most popular Z Fold phone so far. Now, keep in mind that these results are coming in from South Korea, which is obviously where what's his name, Samsung is located. That's their main headquarters, and that's like their main area they release their phones. So it's not too surprising. If you looked at the numbers in China, you looked at the numbers in America, they would be different. For example, in China, the Z Flip is not selling really well at all, and Motorola is actually selling a lot better in China than Samsung is. So obviously every country is going to have their different origin story, but it's just truly amazing how the Z Fold 7, I mean, you see like the Z Fold 5, right, compared to the Z Fold 6. Okay, a little bit of an uprise, and since the Z Fold 4, it's still really, at this point, going negative. I mean, Z Fold 4 is all the way up there, and then the Z Fold 5 couldn't sell nearly as much. Z Fold 6 tried, but couldn't even come like 75% of the Z Fold 4, and now we are way past the Z Fold 4, and we are almost to a point of like 1.5 times the Z Fold 4 sales. So Z Fold 7 definitely up there. I still think the Z Fold 8 is going to be insanely crazy when it comes to sales and how successful that phone is. Just because Samsung has to, in a way. They're going to be competing with the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold. Maybe Motorola comes out with a foldable cell phone. We also have the OnePlus Open 2 they're going to be competing with. So should be an exciting year next year, but even with that being said, Samsung definitely, arm and a leg in it when it comes to the Z Fold 7. So I'm not surprised, though. It is a great phone. It's definitely up there for one of the best foldable cell phones on the market right now. And yeah, maybe thinner is better. I don't know. I'm still kind of on the, I don't know how I feel about it. Now, keep in mind, it's only, right now, September, right? This phone came out in, July? So, we're only a couple months in. These other results are for the whole period of them being out. So, we're talking about, obviously the first year of these other phones being out. This phone's only been out for a couple months. So, it has plenty of time to continue its run and continue to get better and better and sell more and more units. And most likely it will. Most likely it will at the end of the day. But see you guys next one.